Another look at the ice on the Ohio River from Covington near the Bailey Bridge. The ice should start melting in the next few days as the temperature starts warming up. That's the Bailey Bridge right there. Walk over to that little platform for concrete platform for a slightly different vantage point. Alright, I'm over at that other concrete platform. That's the one that I was just at a minute ago. So take one last look here. My hands are absolutely freezing from this wind, and I don't have gloves on at the moment, so alright, time to go warm up.